Check it out. Calvin Johnson, 81 for the Detroit Lions. You can feel the electricity in the air. This is our year. The Lions are in the playoffs, and I'm more excited than ever. This is an amazing opportunity. I just so excited, so proud of this team for overcoming the obstacles that they've had in their path. And understand, Dallas, that Detroit's coming to take you out. We will win. We've done it before. We beat Dallas last year. The Lions are coming, and they're going to bring everything they have. This is a team with heart, and they're coming just as tough as ever. Understand that Detroit has really nothing else to, what should I say? They have really nothing else to play for, so they're going to play with such intensity and ferocity that you will think that you're fighting a true lion out there. It's going to be tooth and nail, claws for every yard, and you're just going to see why we all say, and the world will say, all hail Megatron. Go Lions, beat the Cowboys. It's on.